Humanity often tells itself a comforting story. That technology is progress. That advancement automatically leads to improvement. That innovation saves civilizations. History shows the opposite. Technology does not save civilizations. It amplifies them. Every major technological leap has increased humanity's capacity to act, not its capacity to choose wisely. Fire did not make humans moral. Agriculture did not make them cooperative. Industry did not make them peaceful. Digital networks did not make them truthful. Technology multiplies whatever already exists. If a civilization is coordinated, technology accelerates stability. If a civilization is fragmented, technology accelerates collapse. Modern Earth did not fail because it lacked tools. It failed because its tools outpaced its governance, ethics, and coordination. We can extract more resources than ever before, but cannot distribute them fairly. We can generate immense energy, but cannot manage its consequences. We can communicate instantly, but cannot agree on reality. This is not a technological gap. It is a civilizational gap. Technology removed limits faster than humanity evolved responsibility. The result is amplification without restraint. Climate systems are stressed not because humans exist, but because machines allowed extraction without feedback. Ecosystems collapse not because people need food, but because systems reward efficiency over balance. Earth does not need smarter machines. It needs wiser structures. Restoration requires recognizing that technology is neutral. It does not lead, it follows. When values are misaligned, innovation becomes destructive. When systems are broken, efficiency accelerates damage. The next phase of Earth is not defined by new inventions. It is defined by new coordination. Technology must become subordinate to planetary limits, not superior to them. It must serve regeneration, not growth for its own sake. Until humanity governs itself at the same scale as its tools, every breakthrough will deepen the crisis. Technology did not fail us. We failed to evolve alongside it. Earth restoration begins when intelligence governs power, not the other way around.